What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying the videos I'm uploading here on my channel. If you do enjoy my contents here, please hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to activate the bell button too so you get notification about all the new videos coming on my channel and you don't miss anything. Today we're going to do very cool fringe. I have this fringe I cut it before on my channel from short to long. So you can go back on my previous videos and check out this fringe I'm talking about. But today we are going to cut it in a different way. We're gonna cut it more blunt. And we're gonna talk about all the mistakes happen when somebody cut fringe. If you want to make it very blunt, what you do, if you want to kind of add more texture or lower the density of the fringe without affecting the hairline of the fringe. All those mistakes, tips and tricks, and you know, all those things about the fringe area, especially because I know I've seen some horrible fringe before. So today we're gonna go through all this and I hope you like this video. So let's go and start this video step by step. Okay guys, as you see here right now, this is the fringe I was talking about, and as I mentioned, this fringe, if you want to see it step by step, I already cut it before and the video is on my channel. By the end of this video I'm gonna put the link for this fringe, so if you want to go and watch it. So what we're gonna do today, as you see here, you can see how long on the side, how short in the center, and you can see this like kind of PC look. It's like done by razor, so you can see this kind of razor effect. Even you can create this effect like with the shear. It's gonna be a little bit more challenging if you get some more wispiness. I feel like you can get more effect like this by razor. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna cut it more blunt, and what I'm gonna go through over if we want to lower the density of the fringe without affecting the hairline, how we do it, and you know, some, as I said, some tips when you cut the fringe I'm gonna mention. Because I know lots of mistakes happen, go so wrong, especially in this area. You don't want to go wrong in this area because this is the face frame and I've seen some horrible fringe done before. So let's go and start the video and show you how you do it, and I hope you like it. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing, we make sure the hair is wet and we take small section, we don't take so much hair. Look how I'm cutting. My elevation is 0 degrees. Look how the comb movement, look the way I'm carrying the shear. I comb down, straight down, and I cut straight line. No elevation, we keep our elevation 0. Okay, you see how I'm just coming to the forehead? No elevation, nothing, just 0 degrees. So we take the second section. As I said, we take section by section, keep small, so we keep the control, because if we lose the control, we're gonna lose everything. And the most important part in cutting hair is control. So take smaller section and work cleaner, better than take a big chunk, especially with the fringe. You cannot mess up with the fringe, okay? So keep the consistency the same and your section is small. And look, I'm doing the same things, comb straight down the way the hair lives on the forehead. Nothing crazy, and I cut straight line. Now after we finish, I'm going to do the flat wrap technique. It's very simple technique, very easy technique, and we are going to comb right left, so like a brush right left, left right, to give versatility to the hair to move on both sides, and nothing crazy really. It's that simple, and just want to keep this flat wrap technique consistent. And after that I'm gonna clean the hairline, make sure everything's so clean, because you know, when you cut on wet, always, you know, maybe some hair here and there not, didn't cut, or maybe something longer than the other, you know, things can happen. So here on dry, I'm just perfecting the line, and I will show you the next step in a few seconds. Okay guys, so now I cleaned it. You see, this is the blunt look. Now I'm going to create some layers. As we know, when I'm going to create layers, that means I'm gonna create elevation. The higher the elevation is, sorry, the higher the elevation is, the lighter the fringe gonna be. Why? Because when I cut on a higher elevation, what's gonna happen? This hair here on the top gonna be shorter to longer, yes? And gonna create this movement and texture and gonna be lighter. So how light I have to make it, this is based on consultation with the clients. Come to me to the salon and tell me, Walid, my fringe is very blunt, very heavy. I wanna make it a little bit lighter. And based on the talk and consultation with her, I will decide how much lighter I have to go. But remember, the higher the elevation, the lighter the fringe is going to be. So let's go and do some layers in it and see the final look. Okay guys, now as you see here, I'm showing from the profile so you can see exactly my elevation. So if you see here, this is my guideline. You see this little piece? This is the guideline. We are not gonna touch this part. Why? Because we're gonna keep the density high on the hairline. My elevation is medium and this is my guideline, and here we go. Bam. Okay? We are going to take the second section. Keep your section small and don't push any hair to the center or anything, just straight out. This is my guideline. You see it, and bam, we do it. Very easy. We take the third section and we keep our elevation medium, not too high, and we're dusting here. I'm gonna do the right side the same. I don't want to show it to you because I don't want to make the video very long. Okay guys, so now after we created the layers, as you see here from the side, when you touch the fringe you can see all those layers, okay, and how much the density less now than before I cut it. So now, especially here on the hairline, the density is less, but in the same time we didn't affect the hairline. We kept it more blunt here, and I kept my elevation medium because I didn't want to remove so much. I didn't want to create like gaps here, like make it very low, break this blunt look. I didn't want to break this blunt look. So what I did, just kept it medium elevation. And now if you want to style it, it's just a classic look, kind of. You can put some products and just make it this straight, flat, blunty. But now on the hairline here, it's more like a break, you know, not like very thick, heavy. And as I said, the thick heavy is nice too, but if you want to create some layers and add more movement, I showed you the technique. And now we have a kind of more versatile fringe. You can have more some like products in the hair and do some twists and add some movement, make it more kind of just casual, fun, more movement look. Or you can just stick to the classic kind of more sterile. And just keep it straight. You don't have to show off those layers. So I hope you liked it. Okay guys, so this is our video for today. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family so they can watch it too if they like this type of content. And as I always say, I love you guys, and I will see you soon in a new video, a new idea, and ciao for now.